Ти бачиш ноги?
Ukrainian soldiers are enjoying watching an invader take flight, artillery style.
Подожди. Вот один бежит, а там, блядь, еще один, наверное, стоял, и вот он летит сейчас. Вот он.
Ну, короче, прям в него.
Вот, полетел, ебать.
Да, ускорился, сука.
Только пятки сверкали, вот что это выражение
Нет,
значит.
это космические войска, блядь.
Так диви, реально, блядь, шук не поїдали.
И улетел, ебать, в небеса, нахуй.
Ukrainian artillery is destroying enemy barracks here. This is how hundreds of sleeping Russian are eradicated. Ukrainian military volunteer unit Kraken regiment is storming Russian positions. This is a video of an artillery strike on a Russian BMD-4M by Ukraine's 28th Mechanized Brigade in the Bakhmut area. Another indicator that the Russian VDV is operating in the area.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.